ElevenLabs provides an AI-powered voice cloning feature that allows users to create synthetic versions of existing voices. This tutorial outlines the steps to upload a voice sample, generate a clone, and test the result. What voice cloning does? Voice cloning creates a digital replica of a person's voice using a short audio sample. The cloned voice can then be used for text-tos, speech, narrations, podcasts, or other audio projects supported by ElevenLabs. Steps to clone a voice. First, go to the ElevenLabs website on your browser and ensure you are logged in. Look at the top menu and click on Voice Lab or My Voice Is, depending on your account interface. This section allows you to manage existing voices or create new ones. Click on Create Voice to start the cloning process. You will be prompted to provide a voice sample. Upload a clear audio recording of the voice you want to clone. For best results, the sample should be at least 10 to 20 seconds long with minimal background noise. Give your cloned voice a name to help identify it later in your voice library. You can also adjust settings such as pitch, tone, and style to make the cloned voice sound more natural or match a specific emotion. Once everything is ready, click on Create Voice or Generate Voice. The AI will process your sample and create a cloned version. This may take a few seconds to a minute, depending on the length and quality of the audio. Testing and saving the cloned voice. After the voice is generated, type in some text and use the play button to test how it sounds. If needed, go back and make adjustments or upload a better quality sample. Finally, save your cloned voice. Limitation: voice cloning quality depends heavily on audio sample clarity and length. Background noise, low volume, or short samples may produce poor results. This feature is best suited for creators who need consistent voice outputs for narration, content localization, or accessibility projects. Users should also be aware of ethical and legal considerations regarding voice cloning, consent, and usage. Conclusion: cloning a voice in ElevenLabs involves uploading a clean audio sample, naming the voice, adjusting settings, and generating the clone. Testing the output allows for refinement before saving. The cloned voice can then be used across ElevenLabs text-to-speech features.